What you're about to see are the funniest hair cutting fails ever.
You just do!
This is what a pandemic makes you do. No contact, but the hair must look gorgeous. What a mess! This didn't go as planned for sure. The true definition of a bowl cut. No shave November, but make it pink.
Is it good?
Set.
Ah! Shit!
Don't brush out your curls, kids. Now this is a dangerous game to play.
Oh merde! What the fuck?
We don't even know what is going on here, but we like it. Salt Bae, but make it baby powder and barber slaps.
I mean, it was a whole lot longer than that.
Yeah, but think about it.
These are just too funny.
Hey, you ain't gonna pay me shit. I know you ain't got no money. That's alright, don't worry about it.
My hair is so damaged.
Bleach is not your friend for sure.
This is the final result.
And the best boy with the best haircut award goes to this little munchkin. Okay, to these other good boys as well. Make your haircut great again.
This. Guys, this is diaper rash cream.
All that bullshit you been doing in school, trying to fight your mama, nigga? Yeah.
We honestly can't anymore. This was a wild and hairy ride.